Suppose a, b, and c are non-zero real numbers and a plus b plus c equals 0. What are the possible values for a over absolute value of a plus b over absolute value of c plus c over absolute value of c plus abc plus absolute value of abc? So it's either that there are two positives and one negative, or there are three negatives. So in the case of being two positives and one negative, let's just say so let's say this is positive, so this will be 1. This is a positive, that's 1. If c is the negative, this will be -1. And then this is going to be -1. Yeah. So this will equal 0 in the case of that. But what if everything is negative? Then we have -1 plus -1 plus -1 plus oh, I don't even know what I'm thinking here. Yeah, no, I don't know what I'm thinking at all. Scratch that. This is true. Yeah, so it's either going to be two positives and a negative and one negative, or it's going to be two negatives and a positive, and the positive outweighs both negatives. It's never going to be three positives. It's never going to be three negatives. It has to be this combo. Now looking at this again, if there are two positives, we're going to have 1 plus 1 plus, and then the negative is going to be -1. And then when you have a positive times a negative, this is this situation. A positive times a positive times a negative, that's going to be -1. That's going to be 0. Now looking at this situation, we'll have -1 plus -1 plus 1, and then a negative times a negative is a positive times a positive. We're going to have 1. This will be 0 too. And this is the only breakdown of this. We could either have two positives and a negative, or two negatives and a positive, and these are the outcomes when we plug it in there, and we got 0 both times, so I'd say answer is choice A. Choice A is correct.